Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. So guys, today we are going to talk about 2023 Toyota Crown. Guys, after decades of absence from North America, the Toyota Crown nameplate has returned of our shores, although its replacement for the discontinued Avalon. This is no traditional sedan. Instead, the 2023 Crown straddles the line between car and SUV, perhaps with the intent to broaden its appeal to shoppers outside the shrinking full-size sedan segment. Either way, the Crown mix of high driving position and free-box styling depth unnatured by raised sedans of yesteryear such as the Subaru Legacy SUS and the Volvo S60 Cross Country. Although a plug-in hybrid and EV variant for both rumored, the 2023 Crown launches with a pair of conventional hybrid powertrain. The entry-level arrangement is familiar one, pairing a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with three electric motors and a continuously variable automatic transmission. Guys, the most expensive Platinum model gets an exclusive hybrid maximum powertrain that sees a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder and electric motor on the rear axle combined for 340 horsepower. The Crown's distinctive look and oddball body style and complemented by a spacious cabin outfitted with the premium features. Toyota is equipping all Crown model with a generous amount of standard driver assistance system and infotainment tech. Guys, the Crown will be a new addition to Toyota's US lineup. We expect to see the Crown on sale by the end of 2022 in early 2023. All three offer the Crown trim level provide a more luxury interior-oriented experience than other four-door offering from Toyota. The most option is the more powerful hybrid maximum powertrain, which is exclusive to the top and platinum trim, so it's the one we had choose. Guys, all Crown models have a hybrid powertrain, but only the top-spec Platinum model gets Toyota's new hybrid maximum setup, which pairs a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor on the rear axle for a combined 340 horsepower. The Excellent Limited model gets a less powerful 236 horsepower hybrid system that uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder and three electric motor. The Excellent Limited have a continuously variable automatic transmission while the Platinum uses a 6-speed automatic. All-wheel drive is standard on every trim. With the base powertrain, the Crown's acceleration is adequate and Toyota's estimate it will hit 60 miles per hour in a perfectly acceptable 7.6 seconds. The Platinum trim, with its more powerful setup, is noticeably brisker and its 5.7 second launch to 60 miles per hour estimate is believable. The suspension has been tuned for a relaxing ride, so don't expect concerning errors from the Crown. But the Platinum model does come with adaptive dampers that sharpen things up to give its big four-door a more fun-loving nature. Guys, they estimate that the Crown with the base hybrid powertrain will be capable of returning up to 42 mileage in city and 41 mileage on highway. The Platinum model more powerful hybrid maximum powertrain is claimed to deliver around 29 mileage in city and 32 mileage on highway. As soon we can, we will take the Crown on our 75-mile highway fuel economy route and report its results there. Guys, for more information about the Crown's fuel economy, visit Taipa's website. Guys, inside the Crown's cabin look approximately premium. Drivers who trade in their Avalon sedan are in the upgrade, especially if they buy a limited or platinum model. The driving position is raised from a traditional sedan height to something akin to a compact SUV, which may make the Crown an attractive alternative to full-size sedan that still adhere to a more traditional formula. All model come standard with its way power adjustable front seat with heat, dual zone automatic climate control and ambient interior lighting. Limited and platinum trim add a panoramic sunroof, leather and polyester and ventilated front seats. Guys, a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard across the range, and it runs Toyota's latest and much improved software interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are integrated into the infotainment software and connect to a smartphone via wireless connection. A second 12.3-inch display has digital gauges in front of the driver, and the Crown also introduced necessities such as a wireless smartphone charging pad, onboard Wi-Fi, and a USB-C port. The base XLE trim comes with the 6-speaker stereo but limited and platinum model gets an 11-speaker JBL stereo instead. In our first drive of the Crown, the JBL stereo failed to impress the lack to the richness of this setup had been offered into the Avalon. Guys, Toyota equips most of its cars with a host of standard driver assistance features, and the Crown is no different. All models come with a package of features including automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic high beam headlamps, and more. Guys, for more information about the Crown's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, standard adaptive cruise control with lane centering. So guys, that's all. Kindly subscribe our channel so you never missed any update. Thank you.